Welcome to Engineering Visualization channel. So now today we are going to discuss a problem on cone with respect to the section of solids. Okay. So first we are going to look into the question here. Okay. Here in the question they've given cone of base diameter 60, axis 70 long, resting on its base on HP. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP inclined at 45 degree to HP. The section plane passes through the axis at a point of 40 mm above the HP. Okay, so first I'm going to construct the top and front view of the cone. Okay, then after that I'm going to construct the cutting the section plane. Top and front view I'm going to construct. First I'm drawing an XY line here. PHP Y. Okay, so I'll take compass, and here diameter given 60 means we have to measure 30 mm. Okay, so measure 30. Okay, this is done. Now we have to divide this into 8 equal parts. Okay, how to divide? So 12 equal parts, sorry. So that is by 30. You can see here 12 means 360 divided by 12. So how much it is? 12 3 is a 360. That is 30 degree. 30 degree inclinations we have to give here to make it 12 equal parts. Okay, so 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. Okay, we can extend these lines and we can 30, 60, 90, 150, sorry 120, this, and this is 150, and this is 180. Okay, now we can extend these lines so that it will be equally divided. Okay, it's done here. So we can give the naming for it: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay, so we can extend this. So here height, axis height given 70 mm. So I'm drawing an axis here, line dot line dot line. And I can join this. Okay, can write down the notations here. So this is O dash and O1 dash. Similarly here also A dash, B dash visible, but L dash not visible, C dash visible, JK, K dash not visible, D dash visible, J dash not visible, E dash visible, I dash not visible, F dash visible, H dash not visible, and G dash. This is O1 dash and this is O dash. Okay, here we can show its axis length of 70. Okay, this is done. Now we have to cut the section plane. You can see here it is cut by a section plane. Okay, section plane perpendicular to VP, inclined at 45 degree to HP. The section plane passes through the axis at a point 40 mm above the HP. 40 mm above the HP means here it is. Here to take this as a reference point, 40 mm. I'll mention this height also. Okay, 40 mm. Now we have to draw an angle line for 45 degree. So place it here and mark for angle 45 degree. Line 2 dash, line 2 dash, line 2 dash, line. Then you can extend here. This is yes. This is also yes. Okay. So it has been cut at an angle of 45 degree. So you can show the angle here. Okay, 45 degree. Now we can marking the cut points here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is 7. And then here in the back side also it is cutting. So this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so if we project it, okay, this is our 1, this is 2, this is 3 and 4. We cannot able to project it because it is there horizontally. So what I'll do is here I'm going to project, then vertically downward I'm going to draw one line, then I'm going to measure this length. This is what actually the 4 is, measuring this length. For 4 and 10 we'll do the same way. So for that I'm going to measure this length and cut the arc here. This is 10 and this is what we have, that is 4. Okay, I'll mention 10 here. 10 is also here, it is okay. This is 10, this is 4. Okay, and now 5, this is 5, this is 6 and this is 7 and that is 7 and this is 8 and this is 9 and this is 10, this is 11. So 11 we have it here, and 12 we are having this one is 12. Okay, so we got this. Now we will try to join it to get the and 1 we getting here, so 2 here we getting, 3 here and 4 here, 5, 6, sorry 6 is here, can join like this. So like this it will be joined. This is your sectional top. Okay, use the pencil when you're drawing a curve here so that you can avoid the mistake here. This is your sectional top view. Okay, now so parallelly I'm going to draw one line here. This is x1, this is y1, and we have to draw 90-degree points from these points here. This is point number 1, this is point number 2, this is point number 3, this is point number 4, this is point number 5, this is point number 6, this is point number 7. Okay, so we have to project the lines here. Okay, now we have to cut the points here. Length points we should cut it. So 1 we are getting here, 1 and 7 on the same length. Okay, on this 1 you want to cut it here, 1 and 7. Okay, next it is 2, here is 2, here is 2. Okay, and then the same line we have to cut that well also. I'm going to cut that so 12, 3, 11, 1, 2, 3, 3 we should cut this 11. Okay, you can see here, this is 1, this is 2, and this is your 12, this is 3, and this is 11. Okay, now we have the point number 4 here, point number 4, this is 4, point number 10, okay. Now point number 5, next point number 9 here, next point number 6, point number 8 on the same line. Okay, this is 7. So all the points we are getting here. So if you try to complete connect it, so it will be like an ellipse. Okay, so you just try to join. Okay, so it will be like an ellipse. Draw with the natural lines here. This is what true shape of the section. Okay, so this completes the problem. Okay, so you can subscribe for the channel, hit on the like button, and share it to the maximum students so that they can be benefited. So thank you all, thank you for watching the video.